Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified when these videos come out, as well as the thumbs up, and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in Quant Network, or QNT. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's take a look at the market. Certainly finding a little bit of pressure here since last pretty much in the afternoon yesterday, and again right now between 9 and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're seeing a pretty demonstrable decay on the price action here. However, we're still hitting the line of support, so I don't think that this game is not over yet. I think we've got still some reasonable area of support at 265. Taking a look at a longer term picture here, I think this is a kind of an outlier, and in the end, I believe this will pop back into the channel. Now, right now, we're sitting at 267. Again, pretty much yesterday morning, we hit the floor, bounced back, bouncing again, flirting with danger, no question about it. And it's definitely, if you own it, it's always an uneasy feeling to seeing it hit a support line and hanging around there too long. So we'll see how this thing plays out over the next few hours. I'll definitely be tweeting out what I think is happening as and when. But right now, I think let's take a look over at the Quant Bitcoin pair. Also sitting on a demonstrable area of resistance, now support, and we're literally hugging that line. So this should be a bounce, but if we do make a big break, it will break down. And if we do a bounce, I think we will bounce up. And it will be a volatile moment over the next couple of days, in my opinion, on Quant, one way or the other. So, you just got to keep your eyes on the ball, keep your alerts on, et cetera, et cetera. In the meantime, going over to Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin continues its rise. That should help Quant US dollar for sure. Offset by Bitcoin, also with that Bitcoin dominance going down, should also help the Quant Bitcoin pair catch a nice bounce. So long as the Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin going up, I think that's a recipe for all altcoins to generally do well at a high level. But again, those select few great altcoins will do generally better than the overall general view of the altcoin market. But anyway, we're at 62,425 on Bitcoin. I think we continue our rise over the next week and a half. And I think Quant US dollar should catch a nice bounce here in my view. But anything is possible, and you just got to keep your eye on this pretty much every moment at every point in the day. But I will tweet out where it's going. So subscribe to Twitter, and we'll talk soon.